The Vivant was designed and built by famed Pontiac engineer Herb Adams, who is considered to be the father of the Firebird Trans Am, the GTO Judge, and the 455 Super Duty engine. Adams built the Vivant in his personal Michigan studio. The project began with a 1/12 scale wooden model that he carved by hand. The completed Vivant model included nose features referencing Pontiac, while its tail was influenced by Bertone Scaglione-designed Alfa Romeo Bat concept cars. As such, he had full knowledge of, and access to, the division's finest performance components. Adams did what no one else could, and strolled out of his office into Pontiac's experimental division. There he was able to buy, for $75, a special horsepower development engine that had been built by NASCAR legend Ray Nichols. By 1965, the 2-year build of the Vivant was complete. The car was a fully functioning, running, driving automobile. That year Adams showed the car at the Detroit Autorama. Then Adams drove the car for 12 years. Although the Vivant did not have a license plate, the car could not be registered due to the complete absence of a roof, bumpers, side mirrors and door handles. In 2017, the restored Vivant was shown to the public at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance.